Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will find the Laplace transformation of the given function ft, where ft is defined as t when t is in 0 and 1, and it is e power t when t is bigger or equal to 1. So, we will find this Laplace transformation by using some formulas on the Laplace transformation of unit step function. So, before that, we need to write this ft as some combination of unit step function. So, what is unit step function? So unit step function at c. So it is defined as u of t minus c is equal to 1 if t is bigger equal to c, and 0 if t is less than c. Now we will write ft as combination of unit step function. So we will write ft as t into u of t minus 0 minus u of t minus 1 and e power t into u of t minus 1. Now why this ft is equal to this? Just simply because when t is in 0 and 1, then we know that this u of t minus 0 is 1 and u of t minus 1 is 0. Both terms are 0. So this term will give 1, this term 0, this term 0. So ft will be t. And when t is bigger or equal to 1, then u of t minus 0 is also 1, u of t minus 1 is also 1. So this term will be 0, so 0 into t is 0, and u of t minus 1 is 1, so this will be et, which is our et. So hence, this both sides are equal. So by simplifying, we have t u of t minus t minus e power t u of t minus 1. Now we will use some formulas to find the Laplace transformation. So the first formula is Laplace transformation of u of t minus c into g of t minus c is equal to e power minus cs into L of gt. And the second one is L of u of t minus c is nothing but e power minus cs by s. So these two formula we will use. So what is Laplace transformation of t ut? So note that in the formula number 1, if we put c equal to 0, and in 1 if we c is 0 and gt is equal to t, then what we get? This is L of t ut, which is e power, so c is 0, so 0 into s into L of t. L of t is nothing but 1 by s square, so 1 by s square. So this term is 1 by s square. So we have one thing. So the next term is t minus e power t u of t minus 1. So first we have to simplify this term. So how? So first we write this as t u of t minus 1 minus e power t into u of t minus 1. So here we have t minus 1. So we need to write in terms of t minus 1. So it will be t power minus 1 plus 1 into u of t minus 1 and e power t minus 1 plus 1 u of t minus 1. So this will be t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 1 minus e into e power t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. So what is the Laplace transformation of this function? So Laplace transformation of this function is nothing but e power minus 1 to s into L of t, because here we put c equal to 1 and gt is equal to t, right? Plus u of t minus 1 is nothing but e power minus s by s minus e into, so here also we put, this will be e of t minus 1 is e power minus s into Laplace transformation of et. Here also c is 1 and gt is e power t. So this is e power minus s by s square plus e power minus s by s minus e into e power minus s into 1 by s minus 1, which is L of et. So by combining, we get L of ft is nothing but 1 by s square minus this e power minus s by s square plus e power minus s by s minus e into e power minus s by s minus 1. So this is the required answer.